just wholesome meals, you need wholesome exercise too. Wholesome foods are the ones that your body appreciates, the ones that help you stay healthy. Whereas wholesome exercise is the best medicine for body and spirit. There are many benefits of regular exercise, such as it increases energy levels, improves muscle strength, maintain a healthy weight, improves brain function, and reduces risk of diseases such as heart diseases, type 2 diabetes mellitus, degenerative bone disease, and even certain cancers. Exercise even enhances your immune system. So, have a habit of wholesome exercise along with wholesome meals in your daily life to stay fit and healthy.
Diet trends come and go, but eating well is for life. It seems that just about every month brings a new diet craze. Some prove lastingly popular, but others not. Actually, all these dieters are motivated by wanting to change the way they look than their health. Losing weight is about patience. It takes time. So always skip a diet which promises fast weight loss, which eliminates certain food groups and restricting food for a long time. You have to think about it as a permanent lifestyle change and not a temporary diet. So remember that good nutrition is important to lead a healthy lifestyle, which means eating a right balance of protein, carbohydrate, fat, and as well as micronutrients.
Health is a daily practice, not a 30-day diet. Being healthy and leading a healthy lifestyle is a habit or a series of habits that one has to follow every day through all the ups and downs, the setbacks and success. It comes with the time and practice, trial and error, do and redo, a bit of struggle, and in the end a lot of reward. Create a healthy diet that you can enjoy and stick with for the long term. If you want unhealthy foods, save them for an occasional treat.
Don't eat less, eat right. When you are learning to adapt a new lifestyle, don't do everything at once. Slow down, create some space and learn. If you change your food pattern, your life will get greatly enhanced. Not eating less but eating right is really about making a long-term commitment to a lifestyle for yourself. So, learn to eat real, whole, unprocessed food as close to their natural state as possible most of the time, like fruits and vegetables. Include good quality sources of protein and healthy fats. And make sure that you eat for health, not for taste.
Drink your food, chew your water. In today's fast world, we wolf down the food while being distracted by TV, mobiles, work, etc. Chew slowly, counting to 32 with each bite of food. Once the bite has lost all texture, you can swallow. People who eat slowly tend to eat less. As people eat, the brain gets a message to indicate that they are getting full. If you chew your meals too fast, you may be done with your food, but the brain still thinks that you are hungry. When this occurs, you are likely to eat more and consume more calories, which can lead to weight gain. If we take our time, we notice when the body says enough.
Eat more when you are more active and less when you are less active. Always fine-tune your eating to your activity. Eat the right amount of calories for how much active you are, so that you balance the energy you consume with the energy you use. Energy intake should be in balance with energy expenditure. Healthy eating provides the sustained energy you need to be physically active. Calories and energy balances are important regardless of the composition of your diet.
Don't lose out weight, just work out. Every time you work out, your body goes through microscopic breakdown, a catabolic reaction. The muscular tissue which has gone through breakdown is then repaired by the body. This leads to increase in muscle tissue and build density in the bones, reversing the very process of aging. Without workout, a sedentary lifestyle will cause you to have more fat than muscle and will decrease your basal metabolism. So don't crawl when you can walk.
Eating healthy food fills your body with energy and nutrients. Imagine your cells smiling back at you and saying thank you. Try to monitor how much you eat every day. Eat wide variety of foods. Focus your diet on cereals and whole grains. Increase fruits and vegetable consumption. Drink plenty of water. Reduce consumption of fats and sugars. After all, your thoughts make a big difference. So try to maintain
a mindset that inspires healthy eating.
In this pandemic situation, we should be careful about the food what we eat. You should have variety of fresh and unprocessed food every day to get the vitamins, minerals, fiber, protein and antioxidants. Drink enough water, eat fruits and vegetables, nuts and whole grains, and food from animal sources like egg, fish, milk, etc. For snacks, raw vegetables and fruits rather than the foods that are high in sugar, fat and salt. Include immunoboosting foods like orange, amla, lime juice, guava, etc. for vitamin C, ginger, garlic, turmeric, nuts and seeds for antioxidant, green leafy vegetables for fiber, curd for probiotic, and regular exercise for 30 to 45 minutes. Eat on time, do not skip the meals, follow a balanced diet. So food be thy medicine, not medicine be thy food, as Hippocrates says. So we can conclude that you are what you eat. Thank you.